How to update all Android apps at once. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking for ways to update all Android applications at once, you are in the right video. So first thing, let's get started. Just head over to your Play Store, and in this example I'll be showing two different types of application. That is, one which you have successfully downloaded from the Play Store, such as your games or any of the optional applications, and another is your default applications such as your gallery or your clock or calculator, which are the default applications which were already on your mobile device. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store to update all of the applications that you have downloaded from the Play Store at once. You just have to click on this profile icon from the top right corner and simply select this option, that is manage apps and devices. So as you can see, there are currently 18 updates pending, so you can just tap on that and you can basically choose the option at the top right corner, that is update all, from over here to actually update all of the application at once based on your internet connection. So that is one way to install or update all Android apps that you have downloaded from the Play Store. But if you also want to update all of the applications such as default applications like notes, clock, calculator, as I mentioned earlier, you can just head over to your settings on your device, and once inside your settings, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is software update. So simply select that, and from over here you just have to select download and install button to update your mobile to its latest version, which will automatically update all of the default application itself. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.